up? My name is Bella. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the behind the scenes process of what it looks like to get a screen ready so I can screen print a t-shirt for my friend. She wants to do like an oversized t-shirt. It looks something like this, and she's going to be dancing all night, so I want to make sure it's not too heavy, and she kind of gave me full creative freedom. So I'm gonna combine like a little bit of what I love with what I also know she likes. Here on this lamination sheet, I have my IZAAJADE hearts. Shop IZAAJADE.com. That's my brand where you can find my accessories, luxury journals, wallets, keychains. And this heart is going to be all over the t-shirt with black ink. I wanted to make like a big patch on the back out of like black denim, so it's a little bit like textured and heavy. And because she's going to a show, I wanted to make it like a big quote on the back about music, what music feels like to me, or like what I value about music. And I wrote, I love being able to discover through creation a feeling or space I have never felt before. Music is a portal to another dimension. I really like it. This has been kind of like a rough draft that's been condensed down. So this is what I'm gonna go with. So I'm gonna throw you guys on my screen and I'm gonna show you what it looks like to get this ready so we can start printing it in our printer. All right guys, here is my screen. It's my Adobe interface, and this is a 13 by 19 sized artboard, which is the exact same size as my printer. So whatever I make on this artboard, it's gonna be the exact same size on the t-shirt. So we're gonna be doing a quote. We're gonna go to the text tool, the text box, and create a giant text box and delete all of this stuff out of it. Okay, I think it's like French or something. We're gonna change our font pretty big just so I can see what I'm typing. I love being able through creation, a feeling or space I have never felt before. Music is a portal to another dimension. Okay, we're gonna make this way cooler. We need way cooler font. Let's see. I kind of like computery kind of stuff because she's going to a bass show. And I just felt like bass and tech and all of that totally go together. This is awesome. Literally perfect. I'm gonna change it a little bit. I like the setting where it makes it wide, like all the way to the edge. This is so dope. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Select tool, we're gonna move it. And I'm actually gonna put my logo right here at the bottom just because it would look awesome. Let's see, screen print. Take this and make it small. And I'm gonna put it right here. I crunch a little bit of numbers, what can I say? Color management, we wanna do saturation. We wanna set up our page, and we want it to be glossy. High quality photo glossy paper. That's what we want, which is gonna give us the best quality. Okay, this is all pretty chill. Our dimensions are right. We're gonna click print and go to our printer. I'm excited. So we have a screen that is ready to get burned, which means it's gonna have artwork on it in a couple seconds. And then we have both of our artworks. So we have the patch for the back. It's for all around. I'm gonna go ahead and burn these screens and then get them ready for printing and then check back in with you guys. We have both of our screens burned, ready to go. They turned out pretty much perfect. This is the artwork that we made on Adobe together, and this is the one that I showed you that I had previously printed out. This is the shirt that I'm printing for my friend. It's just an oversized black t-shirt. I actually got this from H&M. It was like 20 bucks. She did want the drop shoulder, like oversized look, so I thought that this would be a good place to get that at. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my screens and get the shirt printed, and then I will check back in with you guys over at my sewing machine. done for this project. Here is our oversized t-shirt with the black on black. It's so awesome. So the front is definitely more covered because the back is gonna have the patch on it. So I did a little bit on the back. And then here's the patch. You know I went with the hot pink. Pink and black. So perfect, it's everything. So here's the patch. I really like it. I printed this on denim, so it does have like a thicker feel to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin this patch on the back of the shirt and then sew it on, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Finished shirt that we made today. I got the patch on the back. It looks so awesome. Here's the front. I know my friend's gonna love it. I think it'll be fun to dance in too. Like, it's not gonna be too much because it is like really loose and open. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, please connect with me in the comments, and I will see you next time.